So I'd like to introduce Jamal Collins. How many of you know Jamal?
What in the world?
I'm just curious, how many people know Jamal Collins? This guy.
Yeah, we've seen him around.
You've seen him around, okay. So I'm really excited to have Jamal present. I think he has more of a resume on there than we have time for, but I'm going to tell you how I know him. So I know Jamal from this place, from nearby here. I work on a program, but Jamal's in here teaching students how to do graphic design, and the work that they produce is unbelievable. It's really amazing. At the Boys and Girls Club, if those of you that don't know, there's a Boys and Girls Club here and an intergenerational school, and Harvey Rice students nearby. So we've been fortunate to collaborate on a couple things, and Jamal's work in video production. If you want to talk about social media, this is a guy to follow. He's prolific. Like, he makes so much stuff, and it's really inspiring to me on a lot of levels. So without further ado, thank Jamal Collins.
Thank you, everybody. I'm a designer by trade, so I talk about design and social change at different design conferences. So the idea behind design and social change is using design as a weapon to change the youth and give them a winning mindset. So teaching them how to do graphic design, photography, video, and things like that. One of the pieces they were doing right there, but it's not just the graphic design, like this, the technical part is the easy part, it's the strategy part, it's the mindset behind how they should be thinking. So a lot of it is not me being like the traditional teacher. Because I'm talking about marketing, I'm talking about social responsibility, how to read analytics, how they should be doing stuff at home, building their own brands and companies, stuff like that.
Perfect.